One of the challenges manufacturing companies have is to ensure that products on the shop floor are manufactured per exact specifications developed by the engineers. This requires an ongoing creation and update of the item masters, standard and job bills of materials inside Made2Manage based on the drawings that come from the CAD system such as SolidWorks. Engineers can launch CADLink directly from within their CAD application and choose between updating standard or job bills of materials. Through the use of color coding, Aptean CADLink bidirectional interface allows our customers to easily identify any discrepancies between the data in Made2Manage and the CAD model and quickly update both systems so that critical item and bill of materials information is in sync. You can easily identify new items that need to be created in Made2Manage item masters, choose from a list of predefined template items to pre-populate missing properties in fields such as product class, group code, unit of measure, and so on. Use CADLink to update both CAD model properties and Made2Manage item masters. Link part and assembly models to existing items in the ERP system. Add bill of materials relationships for fabricated items by linking them directly to the raw material parts in the Made2Manage database. Update existing item masters and decide on a field-by-field basis whether to update Made2Manage with changes coming from the CAD model's properties, push values from the Made2Manage system into the CAD model, or update both Made2Manage and the CAD model at the same time. Users can update bills of materials in Made2Manage by inserting new relationships, deleting components that were removed by engineers from the CAD models, and updating quantities on the existing relationships to match those for each assembly. Engineers can use ignore functionality to permanently exclude a component from the ERP bill of material. They can add and maintain any non-CAD items such as paint, glue, lubricants, packaging material, boxes, crates, and so on that need to be added to the Made2Manage bill of materials but are not part of the CAD assembly model. Users can review and, if necessary, create new or modify existing approved vendor records for any purchased item. Review proposed changes to the bills of materials. And automatically synchronize item masters and bills of materials with a single mouse click. Made2Manage is instantaneously updated and bill of materials screen shows that all parts and assemblies were properly added and match data in the CAD model. Maintaining, changing, and creating new designs in CAD models is an ongoing activity within the engineering department. CADLink greatly simplifies this task by highlighting quantity discrepancies in the BOM structure and allowing users to resynchronize CAD models with Made2Manage. If you require additional information about Aptean CADLink for Made2Manage, we would be happy to arrange a detailed demo.